Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn off emergency alerts on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So this tutorial is a very easy tutorial. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your settings and click on notifications. Okay, so now just go ahead and scroll down until you see the government alerts section. So just go ahead and turn off the switch for emergency alerts. Okay, and now your emergency alerts is now turned off. So if you want to turn that on, just go ahead and toggle that switch on. And that is how you turn off emergency alerts on iPhone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.